Hello, today we will guide you through how to find and reserve cheap flight tickets on Wizz Air. To get started, open your web browser and head to the official Wizz Air website. Once the homepage loads, make sure the language and country settings suit you so prices display correctly for your region. If you see a cookie prompt or a pop-up, go ahead and confirm your choices so you can continue without interruptions. Next, look toward the top of the page for the main navigation and click on Wizz and Services. This menu groups together useful tools beyond the standard flight search. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to open the main menu first and then find Wizz and Services inside. From that menu, choose Fare Finder. Fare Finder is designed to help you spot the cheapest options quickly, especially if your plans are flexible. It's a great way to compare prices across dates and destinations without running separate searches for every possibility. Now set your departure point. Click in the Leaving From field and start typing the name of your city or airport, then pick the correct option from the suggestions. If you can travel from more than one airport nearby, try each one. Budget carriers often have very different prices depending on the departure airport. Next, select your destination. Click in the destination field and begin typing where you'd like to go, or browse the list if you're exploring ideas. Keep an eye on smaller or secondary airports near major cities. They can sometimes offer noticeably lower fares. After that, choose your preferred date. Use the calendar to pick a specific day. If the tool shows a monthly view with price highlights, scan for the lowest fare days. Midweek dates and very early or late flights can sometimes be cheaper. Consider how return timing or local events might affect prices as you pick. When your choices are set, click Search. Wizz Air will display the available options based on your selections. Take a moment to review what appears. Look at the final price indicators, available times, and any fare labels. If you need to adjust, you can go back and tweak your departure airport destination or date to see how the price changes. A few tips as you evaluate results. Traveling light can reduce overall costs since adding baggage later increases the total. Double check the airport codes so you arrive where you expect. And if your schedule allows, shifting by a day or two can make a big difference. That's it. You've used Wizz Air's Fare Finder to locate cheap flight options. Once you see a fare that works, you're set to continue on your own with the on-screen prompts.